Let's learn some basic Italian words together. Today I'm going to share with you how to say vegetables in Italian. These are some essential basic Italian words that you need to know if you're learning Italian. We will go through some of the most common and often mispronounced vegetables in Italian, so you will learn both the Italian word for each one of them and its correct pronunciation in Italian. I'm Valentina Stella, native Italian tutor, top-rated tutor on the language learning platform Italki, where I've taught more than 4,000 Italian classes so far. And if you want to learn how to say vegetables names in Italian with the correct Italian pronunciation, you will love this video. So keep watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now for more. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Okay. Let's start with how to actually say vegetables in Italian. That is le verdure. As always, you can repeat aloud after me so you can immediately memorize these with the correct pronunciation. So let's do this once more. Le verdure. Perfetto. So today we study le verdure. Garlic is aglio. Aglio. Asparagus, asparagi. Asparagi. Chard Bietola. Bietola. Broccoli is broccoli. But pay attention to the way you pronounce it. There's a double C in Italian. Broccoli. Broccoli. Perfetto. Carrot, carota. Carota. Artichoke, carciofo. Carciofo. Cauliflower, cavolfiore. Cavolfiore. Cabbage Cavolo. Cavolo. Cucumber, cetriolo. Cetriolo. Broccoli rabe, cime di rapa. Cime di rapa. Buonissime, by the way. Onion, cipolla. Cipolla. Fava beans, fave. Fave. Fennel Finocchio. Finocchio. Mushrooms, funghi. Funghi. Pay attention to these. It's not fungi, it's funghi. So it has an H, and the H always makes sounds hard in Italian. So it's funghi. Perfetto. Lettuce, lattuga. Lattuga. Eggplant, melanzana. Melanzana. Potatoes, patate. Patate. Bell peppers, peperoni. Peperoni. Now have a look at this. First of all, it's spelled with only one P, pepperoni, so it's not pepperoni. And second, I know that in some countries like in the US, they have the pepperoni pizza, and that's a pizza with a hot, spicy kind of salami. And they call it pepperoni pizza. But if you ask for a pepperoni pizza in Italian, first of all, the pronunciation is incorrect because it's pepperoni. But they're going to bring you a pizza with bell peppers on top, because pepperoni in Italian is bell peppers, is not something that, it's not the hot chili peppers. So remember, pepperoni, bell peppers. Instead, chili peppers is peperoncini. Peperoncini. That's chili peppers. Anytime you have a hot spicy pepper, that in Italian is peperoncino. Va bene? Perfetto. Sweet peas, piselli, piselli. Tomato, pomodoro, pomodoro. Leeks, porri, porri. Radicchio is radicchio, radicchio. And I know that not many people know radicchio, but this is really good. So try that with a risotto and you will let me know. Radishes is ravanelli, ravanelli. So notice this. Radicchio is radicchio. Radishes is ravanelli. So radicchio is not radishes, even though they sound similar, they look similar. Radishes in Italian is ravanelli. Perfetto. Rocket salad is rucola. So this is rocket or arugula. Rucola. Rucola. Celery sedano. Sedano. Spinach spinaci. Spinaci. Pumpkin or squash, in Italian they're just called with the same name, which is zucca. Zucca. And zucchini is zucchine. Zucchine. So we have an ending E that's pronounced as always in Italian, zucchine. Don't make the mistake of saying zucchini, because that's not Italian, it's zucchine. Molto bene. There you have it, how to say 29 different vegetables in Italian with the correct Italian pronunciation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel right now for more. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. And now let me hear from you. First of all, what are your favorite Italian vegetables? Let me know with a comment. And also, what other Italian words would you like to learn? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. Ciao da Valentina!